Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this regard. And I'm providing civil justice for myself and some multitasking. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, I will not take much of time with overview session. That's why I'm going to read through this civil justice quickly. And it is all about the pet animals, foods, and the pet animal supplies. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, and there is a deadliest $1 trillion scandals going on pet animals supplies and pet stores also. So that means the common pet animal stores are PetSmart, then Chewy, then Mounts, right? And Amazon Pets and any other retails that also have the pet divisions, right? Any grocery store you're going to step in, there will be pet divisions. But there is whatever $1 trillion scandal provided to the human kingdom, the same scandal was also provided to the animals, and the crime is exponentially increased because animals cannot talk, right? So when animals cannot talk, the humans must never exploit uh, that part of the animals cannot talk part and then provide the injustice. That is wrong, right? What if instead of barking, a pet animal dog can talk? What if a fish in the aquarium, instead of swimming, can talk? Right? So, just because the animals cannot talk, the humans do not have any birthright to exploit that part of that animals cannot talk. Okay, we can do whatever injustice to the animals. Nobody will ask, God is not there. No, I am there. I am the civil justice lawyer and the supreme judge for entire pet animal population who cannot talk, but I can talk for them. And I sure will get the civil justice for them. Right? So this session is all about that. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite type, true Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica at fault found guilty, prostitutes of at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government, and at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Democrat government, and USA FCC, USDA, FDA retails basic essentials type genetic modified pet animal supplies and foods agencies nations, and created robocall poverty mandate is proved and enforced poverty disability to I Vedapriya Prose on October 2018 for Republica government of USA prostitute to steal rightful Supreme Court judge of USA job on October 2018 that rightful belong to I Vedapriya Prose. So civil justice law must be provided now without any delay. And the domestic violence of the retailers of Walmart, Costco, Target that provided deadliest crime, injustice to the innocent pet animals population comes under the classification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, trespass to land and types, trespass to chattels and types. And I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, owned the text for ongoing civil justice sign off, at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government is in USA, as in USA FCC, USDA, FDA retails basic essentials error, genetic modified pet animal supplies and foods, and organic pet animal supplies and foods agencies nations created robocall poverty mandate, and with fatal negligence failed to educate, USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate and by default create a Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,000 plus dollars since 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021 to I Vedapriya Prose, and also enforced finance disability to I Vedapriya Prose abruptly, and it is a crime for at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, USA retails basic essentials, USA FDA, USDA FDA supplies and foods agencies nations created robocall poverty mandate is proved, and when ruling USA never educated, USA should never provide enforced poverty to I Vedapriya Prose. So civil justice is I Vedapriya Prose want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000 plus dollars and sign off tax free $5,000, and at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republica government and USA Democrat government, USA FCC, USDA FDA retails basic essentials error, genetic modified pet animal supplies and foods, and organic pet animal supplies and foods created robocall poverty mandate fatal negligence, so must sign off tax free $500,000 trillion to be direct deposited in my bank account for all types of damages done by selfish cunning, Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species and health creators, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness, God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be in the same page. So you all got it. I do not like when people exploit animal kingdom just because animal kingdom cannot talk. It is just me. It's okay. I'm not ashamed to say that, isn't it? If my peers love to exploit the animals just because animals cannot talk, then it's a choice. Nobody can define nobody, right? So this is me. So that is a little bit about me. So thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.